We are a startup, but once we are here, we feel like that we are like a global startup, and this is very important to us.
It feels like there's real experts, right? Like there are people who are deep in the field we care about, and there's a very open exchange of opinions and an active discussion.
We really see the different kind of perspective of, right, so what is realistically achievable with AI on the other hand, and also where are the real opportunities out there, right?
A lot of expertise here around the org forum. Many of the people I talked to today and yesterday, they definitely understand where this can bring actually value.
The best thing about this forum is that it's so open, and I think that's because it's so small and more specialized than the bigger forums. You know you will get value, you know you will get useful conversations out of it.
I like the venue, I like the format. It's broad enough to have different perspective of the things, but it's small enough to not get lost in 2,000 people and you don't hardly recognize anyone. Feels very familiar, people are very open, very constructive in their discussion. So I really like it.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it until now. I met some known faces, some new faces, and it was delightful until now.
It is good to be on a platform from analysts, and you really get some useful information from it. What are the trends happening in this moment in time? And then it goes quite wide from finance perspective, where are the investments going, a technology perspective, and then even going from the parts of control up till document management and AI. And having useful conversations, I think, with potential clients as well.
The event is great. Very interesting people. This event is also very interesting because all the European industry is here. So I really like it. Very, very good feedback for Dexby and very interesting discussions.
This year we are sponsoring the event because the first time that I came last year, I was impressed with the type of attendees that are coming, the type of discussion. So far it's been great.
I really like the whole framework of exchanging knowledge. People come together, they want to hear about other people, how they solve certain problems. And I really like this very interactive framework.
This is a forum where companies share their challenges, where vendors share their solutions, and industry experts share their knowledge. So it's a learning experience, it's an interworking experience where you meet a lot of people. So I can only be thankful.
I enjoy coming here because of the content which is delivered by the speakers, which are very high quality and help my day-to-day job to go even further. Really, I can just recommend you, come to Sitges, come to the ARC Leadership Forum. This is a great thing to do.